Are you tired of the same old fishing experience? Do you need to change things up and get closer to nature? Well, maybe you need to take a look at kayak fishing. Just picture this, gliding along serene waters surrounded by breathtaking scenery. Just you and the fish and the thrill of the catch just inches away. So how does kayak fishing offer you a unique way to enjoy the great outdoors? With its low profile, a kayak allows you to silently navigate shallow waters, reaching those hidden fishing spots that traditional boats can't access. No noisy motors, just the sound of the water and the gentle paddle strokes. But is kayak fishing for you? If you love fishing and kayaking or just escaping the daily grind, it just might be. Do you crave the adrenaline rush of reeling in that big fish? If so, kayak fishing is your perfect match. It adds an element of excitement and challenge to your fishing experience. If you like this video, please tap the like button below and consider subscribing. Are you an explorer at heart? Do you love to discover hidden coves and secret fishing holes? With a kayak, you can explore untouched areas that are off limits to larger boats and get some exercise in the process. It's a tranquil escape, away from the crowds, where you can truly connect with nature. So, are you a solo angler? Kayak fishing is the ideal sport for those who prefer a peaceful fishing trip alone. It offers solitude and tranquility, allowing you to disconnect from the noise of everyday life and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. But are there challenges? Yes, storage space is limited on a kayak, and you'll have to stay alert to changing weather conditions. It may be a challenge at first to learn to balance the kayak and get used to paddling. And finally, are you looking for a budget-friendly fishing option? Kayak fishing is incredibly affordable compared to other watercraft options. No fuel costs, no batteries, no boat maintenance, just you, your kayak, and the open water. So, if you're ready to take your fishing adventures to the next level, why not give kayak fishing a try? It's the perfect outdoor adventure for thrill seekers, explorers, solo anglers, and those on a budget. Experience nature up close and personal, and reel in those unforgettable memories.